Fig. Diagram outline and bicycle with an assistance of magnetic gears that is supposed to multiply tenfold the traction force. The prototype of magnetic assistant for bicycle does not replace an electric motor or to gasoline, but it produces sufficiently additional energy to help the cyclist during pedaling and reduce fatigue of at least half or more. According to the motor power, note that these gears are practically long-wearing and present a security of astonishing functioning, being able to avoid the rupture of teeth as well as a security in case of unexpected violent braking. Photo of a cart that can tow until 100 kg with an electric motor of maximum 40 consumer watts and a system of magnetic gear that is supposed to multiply tenfold the force. Fig. Electric generator setup of a first electric motor and 4 alternators producing the electricity. The magnetic gear induces in succession all the discs of the alternators to the same speed, all synchronized ones. Photos taken at a demonstration. This system has here again some technical problems that prevents it from working correctly. For example, to a certain speed the motor packs itself to turn more quickly than for which it is conceived. To normal speed of 3000 turns min the alternators furnish electricity. The motor turning to 2900 turns min, it was constructed rotors of another cuts for the alternators, allowing for them to attain thus the 3000 turns min to be able to produce electricity. Fig. A. All rotors in action, rotating. They rotate all at the same speed. Fig. B. Rotors or discs with the magnets mounted on them. The magnets are already delivered with a hole inside to be able to screw them on the rotor. You can put more magnets to transfer more power from one rotor to another. For safety reasons, it is advised to put a box all around the magnet rotors to prevent that broken magnets or screws fly away. This could be very dangerous at high speeds. The force of those magnets cause identical wheels placed on both sides of the motor-powered wheel to spin, powering generators that turn on the 2 headlamps. Photo. Schematic of free energy with one motor with 2 alternators. You can put even more alternators in series. All the magnets are mounted in a traction with all south or north outwards from one rotor to the other. It is also advised to put a case or box around the rotors for safety reasons. To generate even more electricity, you can make some adaptations. Increase the number of magnets. Increase the number of discs. Increase the power of the magnets. Increase the number of rotors. Increase the diameter of the rotors. The limits to more power are first of all the resistance and strength of the construction materials of the rotors. Then also the power limit of the motor and alternators. Rotor size of original is 6-inch diameter. You can make it bigger. It is expected to produce more power when the rotor is bigger in diameter. The air gap in our systems. It is essential that the air gap or gaps between the opposed discs most possible most reduced, without then it have not risks contact between the magnets. It is necessary to remember the law of Coulomb Lr superscript 2. In summary, a minimum of 2 mm in average should give a power for bigger time than with an air gap of 4 mm, therefore the double. This is to regulate according to the needs by a fitting system of separation. As much of possible projects using an energy sets up or transportable, being able to produce a lot of energies or to help the user. Bicycle, car for handicapped, shopping carts, pushes, etc.